is here, and today I'm gonna take you to something else, something that I've not did in a long time. I kind of sat in front of the computer and did a lot of editing. So today I decided to take out the new lenses that I just got. They're on loan from Sony. I want to thank them for that. And today we're gonna shoot a little bit of wildlife photography. It's not a real wildlife because we're in the city. This is a beautiful park in San Jose. It's called Almaden Park, and for those of you who are reaching this area, it's a great park to come and visit. There are a lot of stuff around here. As you can tell, it's more like a valley. It's surrounded by beautiful hills, and just behind me, it's the lake. There are a lot of birds around here, mostly egrets and geese and ducks and all that stuff, but you can usually find something nice. From time to time kingfishers are coming. There's not a lot of fish in this lake, but it's good to shoot and practice your hand with your camera, and train yourself and train your eye and stay focused. So today I'm gonna take you a little bit around here. We're gonna shoot a lot of like I said, wildlife photos, maybe a few landscapes, we'll see, but hopefully you're gonna enjoy the video more than the others. Who don't know me, hopefully you're gonna subscribe to the channel and find out more about what I'm doing. I'm a wedding photographer. I usually shoot people, not birds and stuff like that, but from time to time I'm going out and I'm trying to get good in shooting fast moving subjects, because I used to be a photojournalist, and I shoot a lot of sport, and I actually shoot a lot of action. So that's in my blood, and I really enjoy shooting fast moving subjects. It's not easy. Today I'm gonna shoot with a lens, like I said, that has been borrowed from Sony. This is the 100 to 400 millimeters f 4.5 to 5.6. It's a variable aperture, but for what I observed, for what I saw until this very moment, is that the lens it's pretty good. It's actually super fast. The autofocus is precise, and it's very reliable. I am enjoying shooting it, and I'm hoping that you guys will enjoy seeing the results. So let's go and shoot a few. I just saw an egret just in front of me. I'm going to show it to you right now. Dragonflies. Being that reliable, the autofocus on the 100 to 400 gives me confidence in shooting those small insects. I'm hoping I have a knack for dragonflies. I really love them, and I was hoping to find one, like a close-up one, or maybe something in flight. I'm not sure, but hopefully we're gonna get something. Until then, we're gonna move around, and I'll probably show you around a little bit to see what I'm talking about. It's a beautiful park that we have here. It's only like 10 minutes away from my home, and having it around here in town, it's very nice, especially because at some point in time you might want to just disconnect and go shoot something else, except for weddings and people and stuff like that. And nature is always good. Hiking is always good. We actually appreciate a lot having so many greenies around here in San Jose. So for those of you, like I said, who are on the way here or planning on doing a trip around here, just come and check this beautiful park. It's closer to downtown, a few, like 5 miles, something like that, and you will really enjoy having a little bit of a peace. realize yet, I'm shooting this on my phone, so it's gonna be easy for me to actually take pictures and do a vlogging style from time to time. I choose to shoot on my phone because I realized that the quality, it's not bad at all, and I do believe that the quality of the video, it's not as important as is the quality of the content. Let me know if you like the stabilization and the quality on this phone. It's a good thing to have, and for vlogging, you know, for showing up what you're doing, I think it's great to use your phone. It's small, it's portable, you always have it in your pocket, and I really do it. I really do it. Another thing to know when you're going to an uncharted territory, I've been here a lot of times, but now since California had a very dry weather this summer, and we didn't have rain at all. It's kind of normal. It's natural around here. So since we didn't have any of this, the lake actually is going down. So the water, it actually dries off, and we have like small islands. I don't know if you can see around here. This is an island, the one that I was filming earlier on. So for those of you who are going in an uncharted territory, be very careful, because there are a lot of stuff, especially around here in California, snakes and all kind of you know, aggressive insects and stuff like that, so be very careful. I'm not well dressed for that, but I know the place, and I'm very comfy to just shoot around here. I know that from time to time you can get a rattlesnake or you know, a copperhead or something like that, but if you're very careful and you're watching your steps, you will be safe, no problem. The biggest threat is it's called spiders. I have an arachnophobia, and I kind of hate spiders. And around here, there's some that you should. I mean, it's better to be afraid of, like the black widow or the brown recluse. So I'm kind of staying away from dark places and, you know, dark caves and stuff like that. So we got to another part of the park, and right here in front of me, there's some beautiful birds. I'm gonna show them to you. I'm not sure what they are. I'm gonna go search. My worst fear is spiders. So around here, there are tons of them, especially on the bridge in between the rails. And I really you know, conquer my fear, and I try to get very close and shoot some special compositions. Like I said, the 100 to 400, it looks very nice, at least on the back of my screen. It looks good. The pictures are sharp and very well in terms of resolution. You know, like zooming to 1:1, you can see every detail, which is a great thing for a lens like this. I'm not sure if you guys will enjoy this video much, but I wanted to tell you a few things about the lens and show you a little bit around, and that's pretty much it. And the palms, they're all over. We love them. Okay guys, so and that's pretty much it. Like I said, the sun is going very high up, and it's almost 12 right now, 12 p.m. and it's very hard to shoot something. As you can tell, the dynamic range on my phone, it fails me right now, and though we had a little bit of a sky, now it's all blown out. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Did I get what I wanted? I don't even know if I wanted something. I was hoping for just a little bit of a disconnect from you know, the usual daily stuff that I'm doing, and it actually worked pretty well. I kind of walked for an hour and a half, an hour and 45 minutes, something like that. I feel pretty good. I'm gonna tell you a few things about the 100 to 400 right now, short stuff. So the lens, like I said, it's a great lens. It has an amazing autofocus system, very snappy. It's very reliable, and I believe that this lens can be used for wildlife and birds and stuff like that. It definitely can be used for fast action. I would recommend this for those who want to start in wildlife photography or sports or stuff like that, because it's fast and you're gonna really enjoy shooting this lens. The autofocus for video, it's not super good, it's not bad, but it can be better. Nobody will actually buy the 100 to 400 to shoot a video. That being said, I believe that if you are looking for a long lens, a zoom lens that will help you shoot all kinds of compositions, it actually jumps pretty fast to 5.6, but in a good light, in a sunny day, something like that, you won't have any problems. My ISO went up more than probably 1600 or something like that, so you won't have a problem shooting the new generation of Sony cameras that can easily go to 6400 with no problems. For birds, I know that everyone wants to keep the ISO as low as possible to reduce the noise, but I think that 1600 it's pretty good. I was shooting mostly at 2000 of a second, 1600 of a second, so I think you're pretty fine with that. I hope you enjoy the pictures, and for me, this is my hero shot. Thank you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Peace. Alright guys, one more thing I forgot to tell you. Get a water bottle with you all the time. Every time you're going out in warm weather or very sunny, very hot outside, you're gonna get very dehydrated very fast, and it's gonna ruin everything. See ya.